Draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Construct a pair of tangent on it so that they are inclined at 60 degree. Measure the length of two tangents. Now, first of all, we have to draw a circle which is having a radius 5 cm. So let O is center of the circle and A is the radius. Distance OA is equal to 5 cm. Now we have to draw two tangents to the circle in such a way that these tangents will make an angle of 60 degree with each other. Suppose here our point Q is point of contact and this is our point R. This is our point P. Okay. Now if I join OQ and OR, naturally we know the angle OQP is 90 degree because it is the angle between radius and tangent. Okay, we know that the radius drawn through the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent, or if we draw a perpendicular to radius, then it becomes tangent to the circle. Here we are having 90 degree angle. Now in quadrilateral P Q O R, we are having angle P plus angle Q plus angle O plus angle R, and we know the sum of all the angles is 360 degree. Now next thing what we will do, we will put their values. Angle P is going to be 60 degree as it is mentioned in the question. Angle Q is going to be 90 degree because it is angle between radius and the tangent. Angle R is equal to 90 degree, again the same reason, plus angle R is equal to 360 degree. So if you calculate, angle R is equal to 120 degree. So first of all we will draw a circle, then we will draw the radius, and we will draw one more radius which makes the angle 120 degree. Then we will draw their perpendiculars and our figure will be done. So here I will take 5 cm distance in the compass. This is our circle having center O and the radius is 5 cm. Now here we have to make the angle of 120 degree and draw another angle. So for making 120 degree angle, we know, keep your metallic pointer at O, draw one arc, एक आर्क आप अच्छे से ड्रॉ कर लो, then keep it on point O, intersect the first arc, This is our angle of 60 degree. Without changing the distance in the compass, draw another arc. This is our angle of 120 degree. Now we will draw a radius through this point. यहाँ से हम लोग रेडियस ड्रॉ कर देंगे. This is our 120 degree angle. Next thing, what I have to do, I have to draw a perpendicular here. यहाँ पे एक perpendicular हमें draw करना पड़ेगा. For drawing the perpendicular, again same thing. I will keep it here and draw a arc. This is my 60 degree. देन ये इंटरसेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग इससे बढ़ा लेंगे. दिस इज आवर $120 degree. Then we will slightly make this $90 degree के लिए हमें इसके ऊपर में रखना पड़ेगा. Draw an arc above. We can draw the arc below also, doesn't matter. नीचे भी ड्रॉ कर सकते, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. We will join this line. ये हो सकता है हमें ज़्यादा दूर तक खींचनी पड़ेगी लाइन. This is the tangent, so this angle is 90 degree angle. Again same thing. यहाँ पे रख के हम एक आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे. This is our 60 degree. यहाँ पे रख के दूसरा ड्रॉ कर देंगे. This is 120 degree. फिर हम यहाँ से आर्क ड्रॉ कर लेंगे, तो यहीं पे आएगा परफेक्टली. बहुत सारे वीडियोस में आपको नीचे वाला आर्क नहीं मिलेगा. So if you draw that arc or do not draw, it doesn't make any matter, क्योंकि वो वहीं पे आने वाला है, सेम पॉइंट पे आएगा. Now again we will join this point. Yes, so this is our point O, then this is our point P, this is point Q, this is point R, and this angle is going to be 60 degree. As and when you are having a protractor, measure the angles. This angle is definitely 90 degree because it is an angle between the radius OR and tangent PR. This angle is also 90 degree because it is an angle between radius OQ and radius PR, and this angle is 60 degree. ये एंगल हमारा हो जाएगा 60 डिग्री का। रीजनिंग यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी दे के रखा है। नाउ दे आर आस्किंग अस टू मेजर द लेंथ। We will measure the length PQ. It is approximately somewhere between 8.6 to 8.7. So I will take it as 8.6. PQ is equal to 8.6. PR is equal to also 8.6 because the radius drawn from the same point. Same thing, it is also coming between 8.6 and 8.7. So we will take it as 8.6. Thank you.